The Marshall Stanmore 4 isn't just another Bluetooth speaker trying to look vintage. It's Marshall doubling down on what makes their gear iconic while sneaking in some modern tricks. It still looks classic on the surface, but packs a variety of features and upgrades that make its fourth iteration worth considering for your home speaker setup. Things like improved tweeters and baseboard design for better acoustics, refined aesthetics with hidden ports and cables at the bottom, and replaceable parts to name a few. Not to mention a quite polished mobile application. With that said, let me share with you what it's all about. Let's get into it. As always, honest disclaimer, Digital Walker sent us a review sample for me to share with you my honest experience about the Marshall Stanmore 4, but they will not see this video or even my script prior to release. We do have a sponsor for this video though, which is Rapoo, so kindly spare a minute. If you're looking for a good combination of mechanical keyboard and a gaming mouse, consider the Rapoo V700 series and the Rapoo VT7Max. The Rapoo V700DIY-98 is a full-size mechanical keyboard that features a dedicated numpad, arrow keys, full-function rows with high-quality double-shot PBT keycaps, and a swappable speed silver switches, not to mention a variety of RGB lighting. It also features tri-mode connectivity with a unique USB dongle compartment here up top and boasts durable construction, partnered with a gasket mount design that provides that creamy sound and smooth typing feel, perfect for both gaming and productivity. The Rapoo VT7Max, on the other hand, is an ultra-lightweight 53 grams ambidextrous gaming mouse that offers a true 8000Hz polling rate, a reliable PixArt PAW3950 Ultimate sensor with an upgraded Nordic 54L15 MCU, partnered with a durable 120 million click optical switch and a TTC encoder. The ergonomic shape with a smooth, matte but grippy finish provides that comfort and reliability for gaming, a perfect partner for the Rapoo V700 keyboard. So after this video, check the links below to learn more. Thank you to Rapoo Philippines for sponsoring this part of the video. Let's get back to it. Now, the unboxing alone gives us an idea that the Marshall brand is really about the craft and an overall premium experience, with a nice packaging that neatly showcases its branding and key features all around. As you can tell, the Marshall Stanmore 4 is properly protected. Inside the box, we have a small envelope that houses the paperwork. We also have a power cable and a couple of silica gel packs. I wish it also came with an RCA cable, but yeah. At first touch, you'll definitely feel the premium design, construction, and overall aesthetics of the Marshall Stanmore 4. It features vegan-friendly leather-like material, a classic woven fabric front grille with brass designs elements all around, including the iconic Marshall logo at the center. But what's new here is that the brass accent lining now goes all around the front grille instead of just at the bottom. It also features FSC 100% certified wood, which essentially means that it came from responsibly managed forests. In addition, it's also nice to know that you can keep the Marshall Stanmore 4 in pristine condition for a very long time, with replaceable parts such as knobs, feet, and the front grille. As long as you don't scratch or damage the vegan leather, you should be fine. Up top, we have all the switches, buttons, and dials. We have a power switch here with a snappy tactile feel, a customizable M button that you can use to activate Spotify Tap or your personalized EQ preset. We also have a 3-way button and switch for music playback, 3 dedicated tactile knobs for volume, bass, and treble with LEDs, and an audio source button for switching between Bluetooth, aux, and RCA, and an aux port beside it. What I like about this new design is that there are no visible ports around the speaker, making the overall profile cleaner and easier to place virtually anywhere, even near a wall or in a very tight corner. The power port, the RCA port, and the bass port are all located at the bottom. Now, in terms of acoustics, the Marshall Stanmore 4 offers a couple of notable upgrades. It features upgraded tweeters to provide a balanced sound output and a wider sound stage, perfect for a home speaker setup. It also boasts a redesigned bass port, now relocated at the bottom. As I alluded to earlier, this new design allows you to place the speaker against a wall without any compromise. Speaking of that, you can actually take advantage of the placement compensation feature on the mobile application so that it can automatically adjust the speaker's overall sound depending on where you place it. This in theory should correct or minimize distortion or muddiness, especially for the low end. Now, the mobile application is actually quite polished and intuitive. The pairing and setup process is pretty seamless, and you can tailor your settings depending on your preference with the highly customizable equalizer and presets. This is also where you can customize the function of the M button, adjust the standby timer, LED indicators, and more. Now, if you have a turntable, you can also connect it to the Marshall Stanmore 4 using an RCA cable, sold separately though. Now, I may not be an audiophile, but I can say I really enjoy Marshall's iconic sound signature. Instruments are easy to distinguish, vocals come through clean and clear, and the bass adds weight without muddying the mix. Best of all, you can push the volume to a comfortable level without hearing any distortion. With that said, please enjoy this non-technical sound test.
Please don't break my world. Remember in a season, thinking of a time, trying to get back to. Don't do it, man, I'm saying don't do it. If you ain't seen from the eyes that seen, then you ain't real well been. Don't judge me. Don't do it, man, I'm saying don't do it. If you ain't seen from the eyes that seen, then you ain't real well been. Don't judge me.
Love is what you make it. You chose this road. Did you pave it? Hesitation. Whose heart is really breaking? This life is for the shaking. Tremors turn into elation when my manifestation starts that conversation.
I've made mistakes. I've burned a bridge or two. So cold I shake. I'm way to get back to you. Look straight ahead.
Back to when everything was beautiful, not a cloud in the sky, only baby blue. I remember every word of the songs we used to sing.
Baby, I know that you love me. Baby, I know that you love me. When I get close, you just shove me. Baby, I know that you love me. Girl, I'm just trying to love you, but just admit that you love me. Please do not run away from me.
A laptop that strikes the perfect balance between powerful hardware, smart software features, and reliable performance without pushing into the ultra-premium price tag. That's exactly what the MSI Cyborg 15Max delivers.
I've fallen and I never learn. The same flame and I'm always hurt, picking my pieces from the ashes on the floor.
Take too long. Now I'm watching you, watching me too. They're playing all my favorite songs, like they knew just what to do. Letting you down, so just stop. I love you playing. Got no time for hesitation. Let's get lost in the crowd. If you don't feel it, I'll make you feel it. I'll show you what I mean. If you don't...
Overall, to conclude, if you're looking for a vintage, minimal yet powerful and feature-packed Bluetooth speaker for your home speaker setup, the Marshall Stanmore 4 is a very compelling option, especially in terms of its aesthetic appeal. It can easily fit any living space with its minimal design yet nostalgic vibe. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Huge thanks to Digital Walker for letting me experience the Marshall Stanmore 4. You can get this using the links below. Huge shoutout as well to Rapoo Philippines for sponsoring this video. You can also get the Rapoo V700 and VT7Max using the links below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.